The year is 2342. Humanity, having exhausted Earth's resources, looked to the stars. The moon, once a symbol of romance and mystery, was now a bustling mining colony. Millions lived and worked there, extracting helium-3, a precious fuel for fusion reactors. Among them was Elora Vance, a young geologist known for her rebellious spirit and sharp intellect. Elora wasn't content with the routine mining operations. She dreamed of exploring the moon's unexplored regions, the shadowed craters and treacherous canyons hidden from the constant sunlight. One day, while reviewing seismic data, Elora noticed an anomaly, a series of unusual vibrations deep beneath the lunar surface. The official explanation was a minor tectonic shift, but Elora's gut told her something was amiss. She suspected something far more significant, something that could rewrite history. Ignoring warnings from her superiors, Elora, along with her trusted colleague Jax, a seasoned lunar engineer, decided to investigate. They rigged up a modified rover, adding extra shielding and specialized sensors to withstand the harsh lunar environment and the unknown dangers that lay ahead. Their journey took them far from the established mining zones into a desolate landscape sculpted by ancient impacts. The silence was deafening, broken only by the hum of their rover's engine and the crunch of their wheels on the lunar regolith. They encountered bizarre geological formations, structures that seemed too perfect, too geometric to be natural. They detected the source of the vibrations, a colossal, pulsating energy signature emanating from a previously uncharted cavern system. As they approached the cavern entrance, a blinding flash erupted from within, followed by a deafening roar. The rover shook violently. Jax, ever the pragmatist, wanted to retreat, but Elora, fueled by an insatiable curiosity, pushed forward. They entered the cavern, their lights cutting through the oppressive darkness. The cavern was immense, its walls shimmering with an ethereal glow. In the center, a gigantic crystalline structure pulsed with energy, radiating an otherworldly aura. Around it, strange symbols, unlike anything they'd ever seen, were etched into the walls. Suddenly, the crystalline structure began to resonate, projecting holographic images onto the cavern walls. Images of ancient astronauts, a civilization far more advanced than humanity's, flashed before their eyes. The images depicted a cosmic event, a cataclysmic collision, and the desperate attempt to save their world. The images ended with a message, a warning. Do not disturb. The meaning of it all hit Elora with the force of a physical blow. The vibrations, the anomalies, the crystalline structure. It wasn't just a geological phenomenon, it was a message from a forgotten past. A warning from a long-lost civilization that had once walked the moon.